What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. Going to take a quick look at Sandbox. We're breaking out of a pattern, bullish pattern. Currently sitting at 598. We're down about 0.3 on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 5.45 billion, 24-hour volume 1.3 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here's Sandbox, guys. We're starting to break out of a falling wedge. As you can see here, we've broken out. We backtested it as support. We have a bullish divergence on the hourly, lower lows, higher lows, as well as on the money flow. And we're starting to see a nice breakout. So if we were to break all the way up to the top of our pattern, that's coming in right at 632, which is our first entry. Our second entry is at 567. Our break even is 599. So if we do come up to that level of resistance, that's about a 5-6% trade right there. I wouldn't close my whole position personally. I'll probably take 25-50%. And what you can do is if you take 50% right there and then it comes down to 567, you can re-enter with that 50% and your break-even price will come even lower. So that's another beautiful thing about our little strategy here. Do watch this 599. That could act as resistance as well. For our friend Sandbox. If we pop over to the 4-hour time frame, just quickly take these out, you can see the bullish divergence as well, creating lower lows, higher lows on the money flow, and now money is starting to flow back into our friend Sandbox. Do watch the EMAs though, they could act as resistance. We need to get back above them if we're going to see continuation. As you can see right here, we were hitting them resistance. We'd break above, but then we fell below. We finally broke above. We held them as support, and we saw a massive breakout for Sandbox once again. So do keep an eye on that. If we come up, we hit resistance, we can roll over once again and just kind of consolidate within this range. But if that does happen, then we'll make some successful trades. Another beautiful thing about this strategy is you can trade when you're just consolidating sideways, just as we did here. All right, guys, so we're going to pop over to the daily time frame for Sand. So I did notice that we may create a cup and handle pattern. Here's your cup, guys. If we come down and we break up, there's your handle right there, guys. So this is a bullish pattern. If we come up and we break this neckline, it's a juicy breakout for our friend Sand, all the way up past the 1.272, all the way up to our previous high at about $9 for Sandbox. Wow, Sand made it all the way up to $9. Sorry, guys, the 2.272. So do watch for that pattern. If we are able to come up and break that neckline, that's a massive breakout past the previous all-time high for our friend Sam. We're holding the 20 EMA. As you can see here, we came up and we rolled over. Actually, I'm going to leave that neckline in. We came up and we rolled over and we found support on the 20 once again. So as long as we hold the 20 EMA, we can see that continuation to the upside. It's not until that support is lost that we have to come down and target the 55 EMA for our friend Sandbox. Let's look at Sand on the weekly and see what we can see. Yeah, we're still a little bit overextended from the EMAs, but not too bad. You can see here, you get a little bit overextended. We were quite overextended here. We had a huge correction. But right here, you had some... But right here, we had a correction followed by consolidation, allow the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles before seeing continuation for Sandbox. Our bull run targets for Sand. There is a possibility here if we see Bitcoin go to 150K, that Sand could make it up to the 2.618 at 1594. And then I've also dropped in the 3 extension, which is coming in at $30 for Sandbox. If we use our Elliott wave theory, you can see here from the start of our bull run, impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, your largest impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4, and impulsive wave 5. That could possibly take you up to $30 for Sandbox. So that's basically it for Sand. Do watch the EMAs here. Our buy zones, 2 of them have been hit, 632, 567, and then we have 495, 444, 395, 319, all the way down to 244. Equal amounts at each buy zone as a spot trader. Brings your average price down halfway each time. If you're leverage trading, double your margin. Take profit zones, 683, 632 as well, 726, 793, 944 for Sand. If you want access to these dollar cost average charts, sign up to the Discord. I'm not only posting it for Sand, but for many coins, including Matic, Phantom, Vet, Gala, Solana, Mana. I think I said that one already. Many coins, guys, as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it. $350 USD. Sign up to the Patreon. Check out Bybit. That's where I do my trading, up to $4,100 bonuses right now. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.